Welcome to Employment and Education News.
This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Constable GD post vacancy in Staff Selection Commission. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years as on 1st January 2023. Last date for application 30 November 2022. Application fees Rs 100 and no fee for SC, ST, ex-servicemen and women candidates. Constable tradesman post vacancy in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years for constable, tailor, gardener, cobbler and 18 to 25 years for constable, safai karmachari, barber, washerman. Apply between 23 November 2022 and 22 December 2022. 9 multitasking staff post vacancy in headquarter Bengal sub area. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 3 December 2022. 126 Head Constable Telecommunication, 167 Constable Telecommunication post vacancy in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. Eligibility 12th pass with physics, chemistry, mathematics having aggregate of 45% marks in physics, chemistry, mathematics. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for head constable and 18 to 23 years for constable. Last date for application 30 November 2022. Salary as per pay level 3 for constable and pay level 4 for head constable. Income Tax Department spokesperson recruitment for the post of Income Tax Inspector, Tax Assistant and Multitasking Staff. Eligibility 10th pass graduation. Age limit between 18 to 30 years for Income Tax Inspector, 18 to 27 years for Tax Assistant, 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 2nd December 2022. Salary as per pay level 1, 4 and 7. Southeast Central Railway recruitment against cultural quota for the post of classical dance Odissi and classical dance Kathak. Eligibility 12th ITI and degree or diploma or certificate in classical dance Odissi and classical dance Kathak from government or government recognized institute. Age limit between 18 to 30 years as on 1st January 2023. Apply between 12 November 2022 and 2 December 2022. Company Secretary post vacancy in NTPC Cell Power Company Limited. Eligibility graduate and qualified member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India with experience. Age limit maximum 35 years. Apply between 12 November 2022 and 27 November 2022. Design Assistant Supervisor S4 grade Supervisor S1 grade post vacancy in Garden Ridge Shipbuilder and Engineers Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Engineering, graduate in any discipline with Diploma in Security Management. Age limit maximum 32 years for Design Assistant, 38 years for Supervisor S4 grade and 28 years for Supervisor S1 grade. Last date for application 21 November 2022. 245 Management Trainee Technical post vacancy in Steel Authority of India Limited through GATE 2022. Eligibility degree in electrical, mechanical, metallurgical, instrumentation, mining, chemical, civil engineering with GATE 2022 score. Age limit maximum 28 years as on 23 November 2022. Last date for application 23 November 2022. Specialist Officer post vacancy in Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Eligibility law degree, engineering degree, post graduate degree in Hindi with English, MBA, PGDBA, PGDBM, PGPM, PGDM, degree in agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, veterinary science, dairy science, fishery science, pisciculture, agri marketing and cooperation, cooperation and banking, agroforestry, forestry, dairy technology, agricultural biotechnology, food science, agriculture business management, food technology, agricultural engineering, sericulture. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 21 November 2022. Thanks for watching till the end.